Dear viewers, dear students, this is your friend Surendra. I would like to welcome in this my computer education tutorial in the series of number system conversion. In this video, we are going to talk about the different methods of conversion octal into decimal. The number system, octal number system into decimal number system. So please be connected with till the end of this video and learn how to convert in easiest and fastest methods. So here we have already gone through their different definitions. Please, if you have not gone through, please go with my previous video about the all different definitions about the octal number and binary number, hexa number, decimal number. So first rule says write down the octal number in separate zone. So as example here we have 128 1 2 3 is octal number, and we are going to convert into decimal number. So that we must write in separate zone, means separate columns like far as far. And then second step says multiply the by octal place value. So what is octal place value? Octal place value is defined the power on it, the power and on it. So as here shown, so as a place value 8 power 0 multiply by 8 power 1, 8 power 2. If here if there is some more numbers of octal number, then we can continue with the power of 8, like 8 power 3, 8 power 4, like up to nth power. So we have here only three digits, so up to 2 we have gone. And then second rules, the third rule says we must multiply with like this. See here, like if any power 0 it values 1, like 8 power 0 it values 1, 10 power 0 it values 1, 100 power 0 it values 1. So 8 power 0 it values 1, 1 into 3, and then 8 power 1 it values 8, 8 into 2, and 8 power 2 is it values 64, 8 8 are 64. So and third step says that result, what is this product will be added together. Okay, so this will be added together. So like this, 64 and the 64, and 8 2s are 16, and 3 1 are 3. When you'll add that final decimal number or total sum is the equivalent decimal number system. So here we can find 83 is the decimal number system. So another methods we can find here, second method. First rules, step 1 says that write octal number vertically as shown. So here is the same example. We can go with that decimal, that previous example. Start step 2 says that start calculating decimal value. Starting decimal value would be 0. That is, let's define that decimal value is d represents decimal value that equal to 0. Multiply the calculated decimal value, that means d, by 8 and add the octal number. So we can make one formula like d equal to d into the, so d means decimal value, d into 8 plus o, not 0, that is o. O is octal value, and continue the formula till the numbers. So we can find here that example. So here the previous example I have taken here 123 or 1 2 3 octal into decimal, so we have to write them as a vertically. So here like 1 2 3, and here you can find, so here you can find, see at the previous first d or decimal calculated value 0 into 8, it must multiply by 8 and plus 1, 1 means this previous, sorry, that first octal value, that is 1. So here is 1, and here is 2, another 2. So here this decimal calculated value is now as 1 from first, and then this 1 into 8 plus 2, this 2 is become here, and it's makes 10. So this 10 is the decimal value for the next. This will come here as the decimal value into 8 plus 3. 3 means this octal number 3. So when you calculate, it's become the 83. I hope you have understood this calculations. So please, if there is comment, you can go with the comment. And thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. If you have new, subscribe it, share it. Thank you.